Hello, this is my review for your. I was provided this translucent powder as a sample. And okay, so this is the brand. It's zero point 0.3 ounces. It's talc free, it's paraben free. This is how it looks. All you have to do is, um, I have it on actually. All I have to do is tap with a sponge and put it on my face around areas that I want to control oil. If you have wrinkles or fine lines, it's going to help you blur it. It doesn't have any dye. You can touch up at any time. This is how it looks. It looks so perfect. It removes the shine instantly. I'm putting it on my forehead and I'm gently tapping around. It's a finishing powder. It has a matte look and it's long lasting, absorbs oil. And I love it. It looks so natural. It goes well with my makeup. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you for watching my video.